This video shows how to split a batch of invoices with different numbers of pages in just a few clicks using the AutoSplit plugin for Adobe Acrobat. Use this method to split invoices with different numbers of pages into separate files and name each file with the invoice number. Understand that any text from the PDF document can be used to name the output files. We will be using the invoice number in our example. It is also important to know that the PDF document needs to have searchable text. Apply the text recognition to the scanned paper documents. We will split the PDF document at the page where the invoice number changes and name the output files using the invoice numbers. After the method is complete, the files will be named with these following invoices. This document has invoices with a variable number of pages. We are going to split this document at pages where the invoice number changes. Now to do this method, first navigate and click on the menu button on the top left-hand side corner of the screen. Then click on the Plugins menu, and then on the Split Documents button, and then on the Split Documents button again. Now select the Use Separator method and pick Page Where Pattern Changes option. Press the Options button to configure the processing settings. Type invoice/D+ into the Find What box. This is a search pattern that is going to look for the word invoice followed by one or more digits. Other patterns can be used with more relaxed restrictions for the invoice number formatting. Click on the OK button to save these settings. Now let's configure the output file naming scheme. First, clear the file name prefixes, because we are going to use text directly from the document. Press the Add button to add a file naming component. Select the Text by Search option and press Next button. Type the same pattern as we have used in the splitting settings. This pattern will extract the word invoice followed by the invoice number and add it to the file name, and press OK to save these settings. Optionally, click on the Browse button to select the output folder for the individual invoices. Press the OK button to start splitting. Choose the Currently Opened File option, and press OK to continue with the splitting process. The AutoSplit results window will show the list of output files generated by the procedure. Visit evermap.com to learn more about Evermap's PDF tools for Adobe Acrobat. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more PDF automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.